What's up, guys? Isaac Payne here, founder of Mom and Pop, and welcome to episode 2 of Small Business Secrets. Today, we're going to discuss how to make your brick and mortar business virtually unstoppable, even under these most stressful conditions. One key asset that you need to make your business unstoppable is to simply build an email list. Now you're thinking, what's the big deal about an email list? Why is it important? Why is it valuable? Well, an email list allows you to build a list of prospects and customers that you can reach out to on a regular basis. You may or may not have heard the term, the fortune is in the follow-up, but having the ability to follow up with customers and prospects is a fantastic and highly effective way to make your business profitable. Now, building an email list also has a lot of value because you can also reach out to people and sell them things through email without them having to physically come to your facility. And that is nowadays, that is the name of the game. That is the crux right now of the brick and mortar business, is people can no longer physically come to you. So now you need to be able to generate money and revenue without people physically coming to you. And email is one of the most effective and powerful ways to do that. So what you need to start doing now is collecting email addresses, if you haven't already, from your existing client base, as well as build an email list of prospects, people who could potentially be your customer. Find out where these people are, where they hang out, and how you can draw them in and get them on your email list. So the first step you got to do now, the first question you got to ask yourself is, who is your ideal customer? In a perfect world, who would you want to work with all day, every day, and you would do it for absolutely nothing? That's your ideal customer. And now you need to attract that customer and get them on your email list, or attract that prospect and get them on your email list. This is the single greatest asset any business, offline or online, can have if they want to grow systematically. So if you're not already doing that, that's your next focus now, especially during these times, guys. Take the time now, with things being a little bit slower, a little bit more challenging. Take this time as an opportunity to regroup, reassess, and develop some new strategies that are gonna help you grow and be more immune to any of the future challenges that may come your way. That's the name of the game for every small business owner now, guys. We got to equip ourselves so that we can be better able to endure any setbacks that come in the future. So the first thing you guys need to do now is start building that email list. That's the most powerful thing you can do, because nobody can ever take that away from you. Doesn't matter what happens, if another pandemic hits, if there's a recession, doesn't matter what it is, you can always have that email list to rely on, where you can reach out to customers and prospects and sell them your products and services in some way, shape, or form. So if you want your business to be unstoppable and immune to all of the challenges and setbacks that are going on right now, start focusing on building that email list, guys. That's a small business tip for today. Talk soon. Take care.